Hi everyone. In the world of cybersecurity, we spend a lot of time talking about firewalls, encryption, and hackers. But there is a critical business side to security that often gets overlooked until it's too late. That is the business impact analysis, or BIA. Think of it this way. A risk assessment tells you what might go wrong, like a ransomware attack. But a BIA tells you how much it's going to hurt and how long your business can survive before it's game over. It is the foundation of any solid business continuity plan. To do a BIA, we use 3 vital metrics. Let's break them down. First, MTD, maximum tolerable downtime. This is the breaking point. If your website is down for 4 hours, you might lose money. If it's down for 4 days, you might go out of business. That 4-day mark is your MTD. Next is RTO, recovery time objective. This is your target. If your MTD is 4 days, your RTO might be 24 hours. It's the goal for your IT team to get systems back online. Finally, we have RPO, recovery point objective. This is about data. If you back up your data every night at midnight and your system crashes at 11 p.m., you've lost 23 hours of work. If your business can only afford to lose 1 hour of data, your RPO is 1 hour. So, how do you actually perform a BIA? It follows a 5-step process. Identify critical functions. Determine which parts of your business are mission critical. For a bank, it's wire transfers. For a hospital, it's patient records. Gather data. Interview department heads. Ask them, if this software stops working, what happens to your team? Analyze impact. Calculate the cost. This isn't just lost revenue. It's regulatory fines, legal fees, and the loss of customer trust. Identify dependencies. What does each function need to run? This includes servers, specific staff members, and third-party vendors. Set priorities. If a disaster hits, you can't fix everything at once. The BIA tells you which system to restore first. Let's look at 2 very different examples. First, an e-commerce retailer. During a Black Friday sale, their critical function is the checkout gateway. A 1-hour outage could mean millions in lost sales. Here, the financial impact is immediate, so the RTO is set to minutes. Second, consider a modern hospital. Their critical function is accessing electronic health records. If a surgeon can't see a patient's allergies, it's a matter of life and death. In this case, the MTD is nearly 0. They must have high availability systems because they cannot afford even a few minutes of downtime. Whether it's money or human lives, the BIA helps you understand exactly what is at stake. In summary, a business impact analysis turns technical risks into business language. It helps leaders decide where to spend their security budget and ensures that when a crisis hits, there is a clear roadmap for recovery. Without a BIA, you're just guessing. With it, you're prepared. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cybersecurity insights. Thanks for watching.